Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chicken and dumplings. This is the most requested recipe. You guys have been asking for it and you guys are going to get it. So without further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to start by taking my chicken. I'm going to place it in the oven for about 30 minutes. You can cook your chicken on the stove if you want, but I'm gonna cook mine in the oven this time just because I want to chill in the meantime. I want to season with some pepper. I got some paprika I'm gonna add on here, just a little bit. I'm not really seasoning that much because of course it's gonna be in the dumplings, with a little bit of Laura's seasoning. So I'm gonna flip it over and do this other sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the oven for about 30 minutes. So I'm cutting up my celery stock. I have some cut here. So I think these is chopped just the way I want them. So we move on to chopping up the carrots. Move this to the side of the cutting board so I can chop the carrots up. So I'm not making a really big pot of chicken and dumplings, so I only have about a cup of carrots. So I want to finally chop these carrots. These were already pre-cut, but I'm going to cut them a little bit smaller. Alright, so our chicken is done. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and I'm so glad I got some of that juice from there, so I'm gonna use this to add it into our dumplings. So that was cooking for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to move on to adding in the butter and the vegetables so I can get them cooking. Tablespoons of butter. So this is 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm waiting for it to come to a sizzle, which should look like it's almost there. Then we're going to add in our vegetables. So yeah, I'm going to get ready to add the vegetables, and now you can hear it sizzling up. Alright, so I'm going to add in my onions. And my carrots. They're spilling everywhere. They're just coming all outside. So they're just going to cook these until they're softened. It always smells so good in here when you're cooking. So I'm going to cover these and let this cook for about 3 minutes. Just a little bit more softened than what they are, and they're getting there already. Alright, so it smells amazing in here. I'm going to go ahead and add in the flour. So you want to slowly add in your flour. Gonna absorb that butter we put in there. So I'm gonna slowly add in our chicken broth. This is going to add a little bit of thickness to it. It's not gonna be too thick and it's not gonna be too, like, you know, soupy. So I'm gonna use these Knorr chicken bouillon cubes. They're extra large. So I'm gonna drop this into our broth. I'm gonna take our chicken that I already cooked and I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up. So while I make the dumplings, I'm going to go ahead and add in chicken. And get ready to make those dumplings. So I'm cooking this on low. I'm going to cover this and let this thicken up while I make the dumplings. Adding 2 cups of flour. Add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm adding in 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna whisk this all up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my melted butter. I'm gonna add in my milk. I'm just gonna spoon this together. Make sure you got everything mixed together. All the dry ingredients mixed in very well with the wet ingredients. So now that we formed a little dough ball, I'm going to take some spoons and go ahead and dump them into the pot. You do different sizes. Just take a spoon and make them however you want. It smells so amazing. So now you just want to go ahead and cover these for 15 minutes and let them puff up. I added in 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my peas, my frozen peas where they're cooked. I wanted to add those in last because they're basically already done. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix these into, look at that. Just blend them in. And you can do this prior to, but because they were cooked, I wanted to make sure that was like the last thing that I added in. So I didn't want to put them in the, you know, mix until it was like the last, till everything was done. And these dumplings are done, everything is done. I'm just gonna let these cook just a little bit longer, and then we'll go ahead and add them to a bowl. So of course the ingredients will be in the description box below. Alright guys, so here is our chicken and dumplings. They are all done. Alright guys, so here is your chicken and dumplings. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And also before you leave, please do subscribe. hit the notifications bell, so that way you know when I post a new video. That's the only way you'll know if I post a new video. Sometimes I don't post them every day in a row, so make sure you be aware when I post them. So again, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.